wait.
No.
In Nwoko's house, I am nothing. But in my house, I am a queen.
No, you're still as valuable. Mom, look at me. Look at me, Mom.
Baby, once again, I cannot stand the violence. It's too much. It's too much.
Don't forgive water now. Don't forgive water. Just relax.
I bet give her water, Daria.
Just wait. Just
I
relax.
actually want something.
Just relax.
Wait. Shame on you.
For Nwoko house, I be nobody. Why for my house, I be somebody. That statement is a statement of pain and regret at the end of the last comment of a fool. If to say I know before, I for follow my age mate. You know understand? 3 things everybody must learn from this Regina Daniels and Nwoko marriage saga. Number 1, social media is not real life. Not let anybody deceive you. Nobody they post their sad moment online. If you hear that statement where they get make for that video, no, for Nwoko house, I be nobody. For my house, I be somebody. That's a statement of pain and regret. But all this why the sad moment you see them online, no. Even when you don't even cast, you see say not be she who post by herself. Now other people post them. Be mindful of what you wish for yourself. God, I tap from the grace. You don't know what you did. People are passing through a lot. Now you don't know. Number 2 thing everybody must learn from Regina Daniels and Nwoko marriage saga. The rich they cry, the poor they cry. Just because say not end well for Regina Daniels, not be excuse for you to settle down for less. If marriage between 2 poor people, problem they dey inside. So not be say because say you fit go settle down for poor and your age mate, poor person your age mate, make something like this to come into the picture. One of the advantages I get as a young person when they grow up, and because say I grew up in a community setting. What do you mean? It means for community they're not the first compound, which means you know the way your neighbor and the wife they live. Nothing they hidden. Now we they call to call settle your if your neighbor and the wife they get case. Now we go see settle them. Say after what they go on. Silly things now they spoil marriage. You go hear wife they complain say every market day like 4 days of market the man not give me money to carry go market. All those things you go before you look and play marriage don't spoil. Now what I tell you say 10-20 years from now nobody go marry again because marriage is not working. Marriage is not a work for anybody. You know what it means say 2 different people from 2 different background and experience they join together for a lifetime journey. It not work. You just be like me now they raise me traditionally with this my experience and everything. You go carry another person who they raised another experience another background make me and I live life together for a lifetime. There must be problem. So whether you settle that with your age mate, a poor person, a broke person, you are bound to face challenges in your marriage. You know understand? Number 3 thing everybody must learn from Nwoko and Regina Daniels. Polygamy they favor men. As a man, even if you must, I don't advise any man to marry, but even if you must marry, go for polygamy. It dey protect your heart and emotions. You see as Regina Daniels don't go now, the marriage get problem. Now you see now she everybody they mock, nothing concern the man. As you go, you'll be like say you get plenty things, you go miss one. Your life continues, your heart is protected. Now Regina Daniels get everything to lose. So as a man, if you must marry to protect your heart, your emotions and everything, your dignity, your reputation, go for polygamy. So in case one of your woman misbehave or you not go well with the way you plan them, as that one go, your life continues, your heart is secure, everything is secure. You know understand? I mean, I don't want to make this video before because personally for me, I don't want to make this video before because but I just have to do it because the man Nwoko is from Delta State and we know many will get money for this state. So if something they threaten the peace of my fellow billionaire, I should be able to address it. Now why I take them upon myself to make this video. God bless you.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.